The largest mammal on Earth is the blue whale, capable of growing up to 30 meters in length, a fact well established in biology textbooks. But in 2007, an anonymous leak from a Japanese government whale research vessel shattered this conventional wisdom. In the depths of Antarctica's coastal waters, crew members spotted a massive white creature, measuring 20 to 30 meters long. It wasn't a whale. It had human-like arms and hands with 5 distinct fingers. Even more astonishing, this creature, named Ningen by the crew Japanese for human, was consistently described as snow white, with a humanoid torso capable of upright swimming. From a biological standpoint, this defies all logic, as large marine creatures have evolved streamlined bodies to minimize drag. So why would Ningen retain such inefficient, human-like arms? Yet, in 2005, Google Earth captured an unexpected glimpse of a massive white figure in the South Atlantic. A 2007 feature in Japan's MU magazine titled The Antarctic Human, and a 2010 misidentification at Enoshima Aquarium added more enigma to this impossible creature. Today, I'll guide you into the heart of this white phantom lurking in Earth's last unspoiled frontier. We'll chase the stories science ignores, the media questions, yet spread like wildfire in the digital age the Antarctic secret of Ningen. Unlike ancient cryptid tales, Ningen's story has a clear starting point. According to Wikipedia and other reliable sources, in 2007, a jaw-dropping post appeared on Japan's anonymous 2-channel forum. A user, claiming to work on a government whale research vessel, detailed their astonishing encounter in the Antarctic seas. The mysterious whistleblower wrote, "I heard the Japanese government's Antarctic whale research wasn't just studying captured whales, but also documenting those they didn't catch. In recent years, their studies reportedly spotted objects they couldn't officially disclose. This came directly from the researchers." Among those in the know, these were called humanoid objects. The crew first thought they'd stumbled upon a foreign submarine, but as it approached, they uncovered a shocking truth. They were unmistakably biological. When the spotlight hit the sea's surface, it revealed a colossal snow-white creature with smooth skin, bearing a torso and limbs eerily human-like. Most chilling of all, it had enormous hands with 5 distinct fingers. The 2007 2-channel post sparked immediate attention. That same November, Japan's MU magazine, dedicated to paranormal phenomena, published a feature titled The Antarctic Human. According to cryptozoology websites, this article not only dissected the plausibility of Ningen's existence, but, crucially, included a satellite image from Google Earth showing a massive white humanoid shape off the coast of Namibia in the South Atlantic. Mew's report elevated Ningen from an internet rumor to mainstream fascination. This endorsement from a professional publication lent the Ningen legend unprecedented credibility. The tale gained traction as numerous sighting reports were compiled, revealing Ningen's features that completely defied marine biology. These accounts were strikingly consistent, clearly defined arms and legs, even discernible eyes and mouths, yet eerily lacking a nose, making its face unnervingly smooth and terrifying. One anonymous crew member recalled, "When it emerged from the deep, we even heard it sound a low, mournful cry from the abyss, unlike any known whale call." This raises a core biological contradiction. Why would a species evolving independently in the ocean develop such strikingly primate-like features from an evolutionary perspective? Such a humanoid form is exceptionally rare in nature. Before MU's report, in 2005, Google Earth captured a controversial image near the Southern Ocean, showing a massive white, elongated shape that matched the humanoid description of Ningen. This discovery provided the first objective evidence for the legend. Believers hailed it as undeniable proof. But skeptics quickly argued these images were likely oddly shaped icebergs, decomposing whale carcasses, or artifacts from satellite image processing. Yet, puzzlingly, why do these coincidental images consistently hint at a humanoid silhouette? Is it merely observer bias, or something we don't yet understand? In 2010, Enoshima Aquarium in Kanagawa Prefecture released a YouTube video showcasing marine life, with a creature at the video's end crawling on the seafloor, featuring small eyes and a massive slit-like mouth. Many viewers believed this was genuine footage of Ningen. However, the aquarium quickly clarified that the so-called Ningen was actually a peculiarly shaped rock formation, with the eyes being sponges attached to it. However, Enoshima Aquarium officials quickly clarified that the object mistaken for Ningen was actually a peculiarly shaped frog-like rock formation, with the eyes being sponges attached to the rock. This official explanation only sparked more skepticism. Why did so many people instantly perceive a rock formation as a living creature? Could human pattern recognition be overactive here, as the legend suggests? Beyond Japanese vessels, ships from other nations have also reported similar encounters. If true, this would greatly bolster Ningen's credibility. These alleged reports from different times and different vessels show surprising consistency in describing the creature's features: enormous size, snow-white skin, and a humanoid structure. But as How Stuff Works points out, verifiable first-hand accounts of these multinational sightings are exceedingly rare in public records. Most lack specific dates or locations, relying on hearsay and circulating as secondhand stories in online communities. This consistency itself poses a paradox. If these are genuine independent sightings, why are they so similar? If fabricated, why maintain such remarkable detail consistency? With the rise of portable cameras, short videos claiming to capture Ningen began surfacing online. But as Paranormal Breakdown's analysis notes, these videos are highly suspect, often heavily compressed and pixelated, possibly masking poor CGI work. These video evidences face the same authenticity doubts as photos' unclear origins, untraceable sources, and low quality. Yet their persistent emergence forms a phenomenon in itself. Why do these suggestive, low-quality clips keep surfacing at critical moments? A rational explanation comes from academia. Felicity Greenland of Tongji University and Philip Hayward of the University of Technology, Sydney, in a study published in Shima Journal, argue that Ningen's uniqueness lies in being one of the first cryptids to emerge and captivate audiences in the internet age. They suggest Ningen may be a blend of misidentification, coincidence, and human imagination amplified by the digital era. In Antarctica's harsh environment, fatigued and stressed crews are prone to sensory errors. Massive whales, especially rare albino specimens, could easily be mistaken in dim light. The human brain's pareidolia effect makes us particularly prone to seeing humanoid shapes in vague patterns. When these factors combine with 2 channels' viral spread, the Ningen legend exploded like a virus across the internet. But if it's just random misidentification, why do so many independent reports consistently describe similar arms and 5-fingered hands? As all that's interesting, Com notes, scientists continue to discover bizarre new life forms in the ocean's depths. We must acknowledge how little we know about Earth's deep oceans. Our understanding remains profoundly limited. New marine species are discovered every year, some even overturning established knowledge. Antarctica's extreme environment, biting cold, immense pressure, and perpetual darkness is a crucible for shaping extraordinary life forms. Could the strikingly similar details in these sightings point to an unrecognized biological adaptation? Multiple sources, including cryptozoology websites, highlight an intriguing detail. The Japanese government allegedly keeps detailed records of Ningen sightings, but has never released them publicly, even reportedly urging witnesses to stay silent. While no solid evidence supports this claim, it adds a thick layer of intrigue to the Ningen legend. If Ningen is merely a myth or mistake, why the need for such high-level secrecy? The more you deny, the more suspicious it seems. Logic fuels the legend's enduring allure. From a marine biology perspective, if Ningen exists as described, it raises several unanswerable questions. What purpose do its supposed arms and fingers serve in an aquatic environment? Large marine animals' limbs typically evolve into flippers to minimize drag. Energy demands pose an even bigger issue. How could a creature dozens of meters long survive in Antarctica's relatively barren ecosystem? Marine biogeographer Dr. Ewan Ritchie of the British Antarctic Survey points out that Antarctic seas, while hosting unique adaptations, have a limited food chain foundation to support such a massive creature. A creature this enormous should leave detectable remains when it dies, either stranded or decomposing at sea. Yet, no physical evidence has been found. Mainstream science widely agrees that a species so large and distinctive, remaining undetected for decades without concrete evidence, is highly improbable. At this point, Ningen teeters between reality and myth. It may be the internet age's first true digital urban legend, a projection of human fear and curiosity in the face of the vast unknown. Yet, even so, as scholars note in Shima Journal, the Ningen legend reveals something deeper. It reminds us that, on this blue planet, beneath the 70% of Earth covered by oceans, countless mysteries remain hidden. Now, I have a few questions for you. What do you think those crew members saw in the Antarctic night? A white giant born of their minds' illusions in that extreme environment? Or a genuine gap in our scientific understanding? When modern tech like Google Earth captures these mysterious images, do you see it as mere coincidence or a hint of an undiscovered deep-sea phenomenon? If you were that anonymous 2-channel poster facing pressure to stay silent, would you reveal the truth to the world or guard a secret that could reshape human knowledge? This is the Mystery Channel. See you next time.